Artesia General's goal is to just provide accessibility to our rural community with high quality healthcare.
A lot of our patients were having to go outside of Artesia or Artesia General's reach because of the different type of exams they were needing, claustrophobia.
Our prior imaging, small bore, so having to fit in there, it's just a lot of stress on the joints, on the body. It just had requirements for their implants that we could not do, and then quality as well. So when Brown's Imaging introduced the new Echelon Synergy for Fuji, it just met all the needs that we needed for the rural community. We needed, faster scans, a wider bore, higher technology. With their AI feature, we have the ability with the technology of this machine to have faster scan times if needed without reducing the quality of the imaging. So we're not having to send patients 3 hours away. Brown's Imaging, pretty much we're able just to provide exactly what we needed for that, and their communication is great.